big one.
I know.
Hair brown with
I know.
it.
It did.
Oh, it's small Bill.
Him?
Not you, you're being stupid. How's that for these mornings?
Hey. I've been out here a lot sooner. This idiot didn't come late in Boston and come out of Boston late with all the traffic jams. You should have done a morning hour. Oh, yeah. Because everyone wakes up in Boston on Saturday night, Saturday afternoon. Told that guy to come earlier. There was an accident on the highway out north, out of Boston. Maybe if he did it early morning, get it up here sooner without that, because everyone wakes up later in Boston. I don't know. I know on weekdays, terrible.
Him and you anyway.
No one.
How do you?
I know.
So we're not preventing before.
And today's been. I know Boston hour in the weekends is late, like early afternoon. On weekdays, it's all the time. I don't know. This guy doesn't understand. He drove from New York for this bullshit. He should he should have just left.
She shouldn't be there. Why can't you escort these assholes out? Well, escort these morons out.